Hi, welcome to my channel. And today I have Adidas haul unboxing for you. Originally, I didn't plan to show you 3 pair of sneakers today, but I ordered this one from Adidas website and it took more than a week to arrive. So I decided to go to DSW to look at their shoes. I ended up with a couple more pairs of Adidas sneakers because they were on clearance. And they gave me $10 discount per pair of shoes after I gave them my name, phone number, and email. What a great deal, right? I'm probably going to get tons of spams afterwards, but now let's look at the shoes. For this first pair, it came directly from Adidas website. The shoe box is beautiful. It came with this drawer type of shoe box. This is a pair of Adidas Forum 84 low shoes. It was first released in 1984 as a basketball sneakers. And the price originally was $100, I think. It's crazy to see that the price remained the same after all these years. As you can see, like the original, this came with the ankle strap that they are famous for. Supposedly, some of the material they use to make the upper are made with recycled content, but I believe it's a very small percentage. Well, at least they try. Looks like the upper material are mostly leather, but I'm sure they treated it. It certainly feels very different from the leathers on my bags. I love that little gold essence that they put on the logo. Since I usually wear very monochromatic outfit, this would be great to add a little color. Now look at the details of these sneakers. Pretty interesting. Inside of the sneakers have this big Adidas wording right on the sole. And I really haven't seen a Velcro shoes for a very long time now. Well, I guess this is really retro and brings back a lot of my childhood memories. I'm not sure how I'm going to style these sneakers yet, so if you are familiar with them, please leave your tips in the comment area so that I can learn from you. Now let's put it on and see how it feels. Putting on sneakers is definitely easier than trying on a pair of Dr. Martens boots. If you haven't seen my video on that, you can check it out, I'll link it. And that was quite a struggle compared to this one. When I look up the history, I was really surprised to see that it was originally made as basketball sneakers. Compared to the sneakers we have these days, this is really not that bouncy at all. I wonder how they jump with this kind of sneakers at the basketball court. The soles of these sneakers feel pretty rigid, to be honest. It's like it would be a great tool when you see roaches. It will be interesting when I wear it a long period of time. For example, like travel through the airport. I wonder if my feet would hurt. By the way, I apologize if you saw all these gray fuzz and bits on my socks. My joggers from Target shed a lot. So, although I like the look of it, definitely not gonna buy another one. And if you like the look, I would ask you to look elsewhere. They really shed a lot, like everywhere. By the way, this purchase also came with another pair of shoelaces. They were in, I think it's white or this light cream color. I think it will look better with this black pair of sneakers, as it will contrast and add more details to the shoes. So far, no problem putting on this pair of sneakers. It feels pretty comfortable. The sole is pretty thick, but they are not soft like Hoka sneakers. For Hoka sneakers, I felt like I walk on the cloud, but this, yeah, you just have to get used to it, I guess. It's not bouncy, pretty comfortable, and it wrapped around my feet pretty well, I would say. Nothing slip out or anything. Now, let's look at this pair of Adidas Terrex AX3 hiking shoes I picked up from DSW. I like this black-gray combination of color. It's kind of monochromatic and with a pop of colors. It looks like neon yellow green to me, probably in between. I believe they call it acid yellow on their website. It has this toe cap that protect your feet when you're running around or hiking around the terrains, and if you accidentally hit rocks or something, you would be fine because that thing is solid. And look at the inside. You have this beautiful neon color, and it features this continental grips at the bottom. Supposedly, you will have a good grip regardless it's dry or wet. Look at the mesh structure of these sneakers. Supposedly, they make the shoes more breathable so that when you're hiking for a long time, you will be fine without sweat too much. I love sneakers with simple colors combination. Maybe not more than 3. I think it would start to get crazy. Or should I try it? Do you like colorful sneakers? Let me know why do you like colorful sneakers, and how do you style it when you bought a pair of colorful sneakers? I definitely have seen many sneakers have this crazy color combination, probably I would say even more than 5 or 7 colors. They are beautiful to look at, but I think it would be challenging to style them. And unless it matches your personality, I think it could feel overwhelming. Trying on this pair of sneakers is pretty straightforward. Not sure if you can see, the tongue is slightly wider so that it kind of folded underneath the eyelets area so that the water don't get in so easily. The inside of the shoes wrap around my feet pretty well. It feels kind of thick cushions and comfortable. Yeah, it's easy to move around in it. But I do notice that if I pretending to run or jump a little bit, the heels seem to slip a little bit. It didn't really slip, but it just kind of feel a little loose there. It's interesting that I bought all these sneakers in the same size, but they feel a little bit differently, like they wrap around your feet a little bit differently. I love the look of it though. Now look at this last pair of sneakers that I wanted to share with you. I also bought this from DSW, and this is called Adidas Terrex Agravic TR Gore-Tex Trail Running Shoes. I know the name is long, but basically, it's a pair of beautiful blue sneakers. I'm not a vibrant color kind of person, but I thought it would match the fusion totes that I got lately. If you are interested in seeing my unboxing for that fusion tote, I'll link it as well. Now let's look at these sneakers. As you can see, the detail is all there and the color is gorgeous. Love this beautiful blue. And the outsole is traction with the studs that's good on gripping all the ground when running through your trail. The stitches looks perfect. So since these are made with Gore-Tex material, I assume it is likely to be a little bit warmer. Not sure, but I'll test it out and maybe I'll report back one day. If you're interested, let me know. They claim that this pair of sneakers is supposed to be waterproof, but I still wouldn't try to step in a deep water puddles. I think beyond the vamp and the eyelet area, the water may slowly seep in, but not sure. I'll have to test it out. But as you can see, the tongue also is wider and they kind of folded under the eyelets area. So you do see that why it's more waterproof than regular sneakers. Trying it on is pretty comfortable. Wow, I just can't get enough of this color. I think I need to start explore more color options for my wardrobes. Since I already have most of the monochromatic basics, I think now it's time to explore into the colorful world, right? I was also thinking of trying the sneakers from New Balance. Do you have any good suggestion for my first pair of New Balance sneakers? I would appreciate if you could make suggestions in the comments area. I think I want something more colorful but also works with my monochromatic outfit. So far, feel very good with this pair of sneakers. Out of 3 pair of sneakers I tried on today, this one feel the best. It feel very comfortable, it wrapped around my feet perfectly and nothing slip out when I try to jump or run. Maybe because this was designed for trail running. So if you want to pick one out of these 3, I would recommend this one. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Bye.